Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to backtest on TradingView. First, open TradingView in your browser and log into your account. Once you are inside, make sure the chart is already open for the market or asset you want to practice on. Now move your attention to the top menu of the screen. You will see different tools and options there. Find the replay button and click on it. This will activate the bar replay feature on your chart. After clicking replay, you need to choose where you want the backtesting to begin. You can do this by selecting a specific bar on the chart or by choosing a date. You can scroll back and click any point in the past. You can choose the first available date or just pick a random bar where you want to start your testing. Once you select your starting point, you can control the speed of the replay. You will see options like 10 updates per second, 7 updates per second, or even slower speeds. Choose a speed that allows you to clearly follow price movement and test your decisions. Now press the play button to start the replay. Watch how the price moves forward and apply your strategy step by step. Keep in mind that this replay feature requires a paid TradingView plan for most time frames. However, if you are using daily or monthly charts, it may work for free. Thanks for watching.